In the world of modern architecture, the balance between aesthetics and functionality is paramount. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Skypipe, a revolutionary lighting solution that's transforming spaces with false ceilings across homes, resorts, and offices. False ceilings have become a staple in modern interior design. But with them comes a unique challenge: how do we bring natural light into these spaces without compromising the clean, seamless look we desire? Poor lighting isn't just an inconvenience. It affects our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Imagine transforming your space from dull and gloomy to bright and invigorating with one simple solution. That's the power of Skypipe. Skypipe is a versatile lighting system designed specifically for spaces with false ceilings. Whether it's your cozy home, a luxurious resort, or a bustling office, Skypipe is engineered to bring the beauty of natural light indoors. From the compact 400mm (15.748 inches) for smaller areas, to the substantial 1000mm (39.3701 inches) for larger spaces, and sizes in between the 530mm (20.8661 inches) and 750mm (29.5276 inches), there's a Skypipe for every need. Worried about how Skypipe will fit into your existing decor? Don't be. Skypipe is designed to integrate seamlessly with your false ceiling. The result is a clean, modern look that enhances your space without disrupting your carefully planned interior design. Our customers report significant energy savings due to reduced reliance on artificial lighting. They've noticed improvements in mood and productivity. And perhaps most importantly, they've seen an increase in their property's value and appeal.